1. How was your day, love? 2. I missed you so much today. 3. Can't wait to see you and spend time together. 4. What's your plan for the weekend? 5. You are the most important person in my life. 6. Do you need any help with your work or errands? 7. I love the way you make me feel. 8. Let's go out for a romantic dinner date. 9. I'm grateful to have you by my side. 10. What are your dreams and aspirations? 11. Let's plan a trip together, just you and me. 12. You bring so much joy and happiness into my life. 13. I appreciate everything you do for me. 14. How can I make your day better? 15. I'm here for you, no matter what. 16. Let's cuddle and watch our favorite movie tonight. 17. You are my best friend and my soulmate. 18. I love the way you look at me, it melts my heart. 19. What are your thoughts on our future together? 20. Let's celebrate our love with a special date night. 21. You inspire me to be a better person every day. 22. What's your favorite memory of us? 23. Let's create more beautiful memories together. 24. I believe in us and our relationship. 25. You are the reason behind my smile. 26. I'm grateful for the love and support you give me. 27. How can I make you feel loved and cherished? 28. I trust you completely, my love. 29. Let's dance like nobody's watching. 30. You make my world brighter and more colorful. 31. What are your favorite qualities in a partner? 32. Let's plan a surprise date for each other. 33. I'm lucky to have you in my life. 34. How do you envision our future together? 35. You make even the ordinary moments extraordinary. 36. Let's take a romantic walk hand in hand. 37. What are your dreams and goals for us? 38. I appreciate your love and support during tough times. 39. You make my heart skip a beat every time I see you. 40. Let's create a bucket list of adventures to experience together. 41. You are my rock and my safe haven. 42. I'm grateful for the laughter and joy you bring into my life. 43. What's your favorite thing about our relationship? 44. Let's cook a delicious meal together and enjoy a candlelit dinner. 45. You are the first and last thought on my mind every day. 46. How can I make you feel special and appreciated? 47. I love the way we support and uplift each other. 48. Let's plan a surprise weekend getaway. 49. You are my forever and always. 50. What are your favorite qualities in me? 51. I'm here to listen and understand you, no matter what. 52. Let's explore new hobbies and interests together. 53. You complete me in every possible way. 54. I'm grateful for the beautiful moments we share together. 55. What's your favorite memory of our relationship so far? 56. Let's write our love story together, one chapter at a time. 57. You make me believe in true love and soulmates. 58. How can I make you feel more loved and appreciated? 59. I'm proud to call you mine. 60. Let's plan a surprise date night with all your favorite things. 61. You are my support system and my confidant. 62. I'm grateful for the trust and understanding we have in our relationship. 63. What are your favorite ways to express love and affection? 64. Let's create a vision board of our dreams and goals as a couple. 65. You make every day feel like a celebration of love. 66. I cherish the deep connection we share. 67. How can I make you feel more secure and valued? 68. I love the way we grow and evolve together. 69. Let's plan a romantic getaway to a dream destination. 70. You are my safe place, my home. 71. I'm grateful for the laughter and fun we have together. 72. What are your hopes and aspirations for our relationship? 73. Let's surprise each other with small gestures of love and affection. 74. You bring out the best version of me. 75. I'm here to support and encourage your dreams and ambitions. 76. How can I make you feel more loved and desired? 77. I adore the little quirks and habits that make you unique. 78. Let's have a picnic and enjoy a beautiful sunset together. 79. You are the anchor of my life, keeping me grounded. 80. I'm grateful for the unconditional love you give me. 81. What are your favorite ways to spend quality time together? 82. Let's plan a special date night to celebrate our love. 83. You make me believe in forever and happily ever after. 84. I'm here to listen to your worries and be your sounding board. 85. How can I make your dreams and goals a reality? 86. I love the way we can be ourselves around each other. 87. Let's surprise each other with handwritten love letters. 88. You are my sunshine on the cloudiest days. 89. I'm grateful for the beautiful memories we have created together. 90. What are your favorite ways to show affection and love? 91. Let's have a cozy night in with cuddles and conversation. 92. You are the reason behind my constant smile. 93. I'm here to support and stand by your side, no matter what. 94. How can I make you feel more appreciated and cherished? 95. I love the way we support each other's dreams and passions. 96. Let's plan a romantic date under the stars. 97. You are the missing puzzle piece in my life. 98. I'm grateful for the love and happiness you bring into my world. 99. What are your favorite qualities in a long-term relationship? 100. Let's grow old together, creating a lifetime of beautiful memories. 1. How was your day, love?